So instead of throwing away the peel of your banana, I would suggest you blend it, add a little bit of water, sieve it, and then use it for your hair. Use it for twist out because it's got high levels of moisture that our hair actually likes, especially if you've got natural hair. Your hair will... ALS Organic Cosmetics, the place where we look after our hair and skin in the organic way. So what we're doing today is we're taking down a flat twist that I did last night. First thing, some olive oil. So you can use any olive oil, but ideally it should be the extra virgin olive oil. And after I did the flat twist, I just tied my hair with this netty scarf. That's my scarf that I normally tie my hair with, so that it's breathable. So here we go. And what is in my hair, I'm going to do a tutorial on it, because you know the skin, the peel of the banana that we normally throw away is amazing for our hair. So ladies, stop throwing away the peel of the banana. That's what I've got in my hair. So as you can see, I'm just putting in the olive oil. Let's cover it, and now we're going to unravel. So here, okay, so there you can see. And people, trust me, this is mainly the extract. So I blended the skin of the banana peel, and the extract from it is what I used for doing this flat twist out. So again, you just want to unravel very slowly here. So that's two. As you can see, it's shiny and it's well defined. People, we've been throwing away the peel of the banana, but that works miracles on natural hair. Again, I don't know if you can really see it, but it's amazing. I would do a full season. I'm impressed. I like it. Okay. So this is what it's looking like. Okay, now let's take the back. So you can see the front, so let's do the back and I'll come and show you the full thing. So here you can actually see that it's really got the shine, and this is mainly the extracts from the banana peel that's giving me this. I must say I'm impressed. So I'm giving a close look at the shine, and it's soft as well. So banana peel can actually help to define and moisturize our hair. So people, stop throwing it away. Look how soft and how malleable the hair is. So this is like the final results of banana peel extract. So instead of throwing away the peel of your banana, I would suggest you blend it, add a little bit of water, sieve it, and then use it for your hair. Use it for twist out because it's got high levels of moisture that our hair actually likes, especially if you've got natural hair. your hair will thank you for it, because the skin of the banana that we normally throw away is packed with minerals that is very nourishing and beneficial for our hair. Stay tuned in for more DIYs for our hair and our skin. Bye bye.